It's not public, it's private. You've been there an hour. They need you to leave. You need to leave. Let's go, come on. Come on.
I just got food. What are you doing? What are you doing? You just said I could order food.
Just arrest me.
Wait. I know food. That's my phone.
Your phone's right here.
Your phone, we got your phone.
Can I please make a phone call? Because I was just talking to your manager.
The 2nd of April, 2025. A restaurant in an undisclosed U.S. location. Officers respond to a trespass complaint involving a woman who has occupied a restroom for over 1 hour. The incident escalates to arrest.
Okay, so, waiting for the bathroom. I've been looking for more than an hour.
Okay.
What's going on?
You guys knocked. Has anyone answered?
Yeah, she's answering, but she just won't open the door.
Okay, do you have a key?
I brought keys, but whatever.
You guys don't have a key? All right.
Yeah. Miranda, come in.
It's not public, it's private. You've been there an hour. They need you to leave. It is a private business. They want you to leave. If you do not leave, you will go to jail.
And this is your last warning. Come out, open the door.
You're refusing to leave. That is what you're doing wrong. It's called trespassing. Well, you're trespassing on private property.
If you have medical problems, we're gonna get you medic. Thanks, boss.
You need to leave.
Let's go. Come on. Leave. You
Then you go to jail.
wanna go in handcuffs?
What?
Let's go. We're gonna tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're gonna go in handcuffs. Let's go.
I'm going where?
To jail.
Jail.
I am going to
For
school.
trespassing. We're going to jail.
Just stop and leave.
Private property.
Private property.
Either leave now.
How am I trespassing? I know my
You are
rights.
being told to leave
I'm
a
using
private
the
business.
bathroom. Okay. I hear you. I understand you. I am leaving in 2 minutes.
Listen,
No.
I'm gonna give you a last warning. If you don't leave, you're going in handcuffs.
All right, let's go. I'm leaving. Fucking weird.
Do not come back on this property. You're trespassed.
How? How
Careful.
am I trespassed?
They don't want you back on this property.
Step out.
Leave the property or you go to
Step out.
jail.
Step out of the property or you're going in handcuffs. Ma'am, you hear what I said?
Motherfucker.
No, off the property.
Off the
That
property.
means out of the parking lot, off the sidewalk. If you come back onto this property, sidewalk or parking lot, you go to jail.
Motherfucker, bro, you are ridiculous. I was using the bathroom and I have
It doesn't
medical
matter.
issues.
Other people need to use the bathroom.
I know my rights.
You have no rights on private property. If they don't want you there, you have to
This is
leave.
not private property.
Yes, it is.
This is a public restaurant.
It is a private entity.
You know what? You know what?
This is your last chance. Leave or you go to jail.
I'm off the property.
No, you're not. You're still in their parking lot.
You guys want her to leave, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Still in the parking lot.
Okay. All right. And who's the manager?
I know
You're the
my
manager.
rights.
Okay. And you want her to leave.
You're gonna get hit by a car.
Using the bathroom.
I mean, it's good for her to use the bathroom, but it's not staying for that bathroom.
Okay. As of right now, do you want her to leave the property? Okay. Now, this is the manager. She's asking you to leave. All right? As of right now, you need to leave the property. I'm going to tell you this one last time. If you don't leave, you're going to go in handcuffs. Ma'am, leave the property.
Thank you so much for letting me handle my medical issues. What is your name?
Officer Charles.
Charles.
Yes.
And Nicholas.
Yep.
Thank you for not helping me.
Okay.
You do not know.
We
how
offered you
to-
the medics. If you want to go to the hospital, we'll call the medics for you.
I don't need the medics.
Okay, well then you need to leave the property.
I was handling my issues.
For an
I'm going
hour.
to school.
You need to leave.
Doesn't matter how long it takes. If I'm an hour, there's 2 bathrooms. Motherfuckers can
They don't
use
have to
both
let
of
you
them.
use it
Why?
because it's a private entity.
Okay, and if I was buying something, that's
They can deny
allowed.
you service.
So can I get my food
No.
No. At this time, they
that
don't
I
want your
paid
service.
for?
Nope. They don't want you
They don't
back on
want
their
your
property
service.
for a year. If
Leave.
you come back, you go to
You
jail.
don't even know my name.
We don't need to know your name. If you come back, you're going
You
to
don't know
jail.
my name.
We know your
I
face.
know
It's
my
recorded.
property. I know my rights, and y'all are fucking ridiculous, and I'm going to report you.
All right.
Shortly after the initial incident, officers arrived back to the scene when the woman attempted to return to the establishment.
Did they sell her food?
I didn't allow her. So did you guys allow her? I'm saying, did you guys allow her? Because you guys didn't come in.
She's saying no.
She said she's talking with a cop about this situation, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
I just got food. What are you doing?
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
What are you doing? She just
You're
said
under
I
arrest.
could order food. What are you doing? You just said I could order food. She just said I could order food.
You're under arrest.
Really?
No, just arrest her.
Wait. I know my rights. Wait.
Don't fight.
Wait.
You fight, you're gonna get hurt.
Wait.
I'm telling you. Put your hands together.
Girl, did you not just say I could order food? Did you not just
Hold
say
on.
I could order food?
You told me you're talking
God,
that
she's
cop.
been detained right now. Let's go.
You just told me that.
I was on the phone with them and I asked you if I could order food. Now I have to call them again.
Relax. Relax. Relax.
Can I please just,
Relax.
can you please stop?
Relax.
you're under
Stop it.
arrest.
Can you please
Right
stop?
now.
No,
Right
you're under
now.
For
arrest.
what?
Right now.
Trespassing.
Relax.
For what? For
Trespassing.
what? For what? You just said I could order
All right, let's go.
food.
No, you went to the bathroom and I told you, they just told you to leave, and then you say you were talking to them because
Let's go.
you're better.
Please, can
Let's
I
go.
get food? That's my phone.
Your phone's right here.
Your phone. We got your phone.
Bro, what the fuck? You just said I could order food. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude?
Relax.
Can I
Relax.
please make a phone call? Because I
Relax.
was just
Relax right
talking
now.
to your managers.
Relax right now.
I was just on
No.
the phone with the company. Let me make a phone call.
Hey, can you relax?
No, I can't. She just said I could order food.
We told you you weren't allowed back on the property.
And she said that it was okay. She just said it was okay. I don't understand. Just let me get something to drink. I have a medical issue.
10-4. Well, then we'll get you medically cleared before you go to jail.
Please.
What's your medical issue?
I need to make a phone call. I have intussusception. Please. Doesn't make sense. She said I was able to order food.
We told you already not to come back.
And then I asked her, I said I
that
lost my
way.
mail in the bathroom. Can she come out and talk to you?
Oh, she already told us. How does this open? Does it just pull?
I need to make a phone call. I need to make a phone call. Please, officer, please. Please, please, I will not resist.
How does this come off?
Doesn't come off.
The hearing doesn't come off?
Can you please just let me
Just
make
relax,
a phone
just
call?
relax. Just
I've
relax for
done
now.
nothing wrong.
Can you relax for now so I can take this off?
I've done nothing wrong. I know my rights. You are fucking violating me of my rights. You're violating me. You're violating me and my rights.
Stop clenching.
You are violating me and my rights, sir.
Turn around. What you're doing right now is not helping.
What you're doing is illegal. Fuck! Don't take her off! Do not take my grandmother off for going to the bathroom! Please! No! 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 No!
All right.
No! You just broke off all of my nails!
All right, stand up. Get in the car.
Ugh! Ugh! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
We argue for a little bit.
Feel my fucking arms! I need to go home! Please! Not okay! It's not okay! This is not okay! I need to make a phone call! I need one! I deserve it! I am legally required to get one!
When you get to county.
No, now! Technically, I'm allowed to have my phone back here.
She knows all of her rights.
I know my fucking rights, bro!
See?
Fuck!
Check her address. It's NCIC.
Fuck!
Alright. And check
Do
the.
nothing to protect
Hey!
fucking sir!
Yep, now she's gonna have to be hobbled.
I need
Yeah, she's gonna have to be hobbled.
Bro, what the fuck? Over a bathroom! Bro, what the fuck?
Sarah, don't kick!
You? Fuck you guys! You do nothing to help the community!
Sarah, give us your other foot.
No!
Give me your other foot.
Give me my phone call!
When you get to county.
Give me my fucking phone call! And loosen these fucking shits!
Sierra.
Here you go, you fucking king! That does nothing to fucking help! Stop. Bitch, fuck you too! You're supposed to be on my side! Isn't it supposed to be women supposed to be helping each
Why
other?
are you acting like that?
Because, bro, what the fuck?
probably
I
be
can't
able to
feel
slip
my wrist.
them through.
Acting like that.
I just wanna get out of here! I did nothing wrong! Please loosen this a little bit. This one is literally cutting me off. Ah,
Slip it under.
Let me just go! Oh, God. Bro, what is your problem? Respect my rights.
One more time, Sierra.
I am legally allowed to enter a
she's not
building
in-
if a manager says so.
not in David.
I am being held
Let's use that. That's what we
accountable.
got.
I'm being held against my rights.
They
Sierra,
find out
your
that
date of birth
she-
one more
I'm being
time.
held against my rights. Have you even read me my mandatory rights? No, you have not done that
Okay.
either. So first of all, now you are fucking violating 2 rights of mine.
What's your date of birth,
I
Sierra?
told you.
Private property doctrine. A commercially open business remains private property. The owner retains the right to exclude any individual for any non-discriminatory reason. Verbal notice by law enforcement acting at management direction satisfies the legal notification requirement. Criminal trespass. 3 elements must be proven. First, the property is privately owned. Second, an authorized party issued notice to leave. Third, the person knowingly remained or returned after that notice. All 3 elements were established on camera in this incident. Return after notice. Re-entry after a formal trespass order constitutes a new independent offense. The operative notice is the lawful police order, not any subsequent informal communication from staff. Returning to the premises without verified authorization triggered this second charge. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989. Use of force is evaluated under the objective reasonableness standard from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision. The court considers the severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Use of force continuum. Active physical resistance during handcuffing authorizes escalation to physical control techniques. Officers did not deploy chemical agents, impact weapons, or electronic control devices. The force applied was proportional to the resistance offered and consistent with the Graham standard. Miranda v. Arizona, 384. U.S. 436-1966. Miranda warnings are required before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. The trigger is questioning designed to elicit incriminating responses. Where officers do not interrogate the subject at the scene, no Miranda obligation arises during the arrest itself. Right to telephone call. There is no federal constitutional right to a phone call. The right is statutory in most states and attaches after booking at the detention facility, not at the arrest scene. Officers who defer the call to the county facility are acting within the law. Hobble restraint. Application is authorized when a subject poses an active kicking risk, resists in a confined space, or presents a self-injury risk. Its use must be documented in the use of force report and comply with agency policy. Failure to document constitutes a procedural violation independent of the lawfulness of the arrest. Lessons learned. Knowing your rights requires knowing them accurately. Remaining on private property after notice, returning after a trespass order, and resisting arrest are separate cumulative offenses. Legal remedies for unlawful police conduct exist through complaint procedures and civil claims under 42 U.S. C. Section 1983. Not through physical noncompliance at the scene.